Dolly.
Hey there, Pookie Bear.
Hey there. Who is this and where you calling from?
You damn well know who this is, and you sure as shit know where I'm calling from.
Look, Betty. Oh, shit. Fuck. I mean, look, lady, I seriously don't know who this is.
Why don't you take a second and smell your left thumb? Perhaps that'll help you to remember who this is.
Smell my left thumb? All right, hold on.
Oh, bitch. Oh, my God.
I don't smell anything.
Are you sure that you're smelling your left thumb?
Oh, shit. My bad. Hold on.
Bitch.
Oh, my God. Bitch, I am dead. Holy
Bitch,
shit.
our reaction is everything. Roro's response, I'm fucking done.
Oh, my God. Not the thumb. Holy fuck.
She said, did you sniff the thumb?
The left
Done.
thumb.
Bitch, I'm done.
Bitch. Oh my God. Mocking. I'm gonna say like in the words of, you okay? I'm gonna
That was
say,
Dolly.
I'm gonna
That was
say,
Dolly, bitch.
oh. I thought she was joking. I thought she was joking.
Bitch, I'm rolling my blunt right fucking now, and I heard that cough, and you were like, yeah, bitch, that ain't me.
Shit, I thought you got choked on your water. I didn't know that was Dolly. Damn it.
Bitch, if you could have seen